So, I received the package. It's a delivery, and let's see what's in here. So it's a Veritas Oning jig and a small diamond sharpener. So this is my starting kit to try out sharpening my chisel and planes and so on. So I expected I needed something to start out with. So I invested in a jig for that, and this one should, according to the description, it's used for honing both chisels and plane blades. So let's see what's in here. It's actually heavier than I thought it should be. It would be. So okay, so we open it like that, and in here we have, well, let's look at that later on. It's one part. It's all metal. Seems very sturdy. And then we have the jig itself, I presume. So, yes. So it's actually bigger than I thought it would be. So what this is a honing jig. So you put the instrument you want to sharpen in here, and it's adjustable so that you get the correct honing angle for chisels and blades and so on. So I thought I should invest in this. It was something like 600 or 700 Swedish crowns for this piece, and I imagine this will never wear out, so I bought it for a lifetime. So I hope it's worth the money. So let's see, we also got an instruction manual. So yeah, don't forget the time to try this out. And I also bought the smallest diamond sharpener I could get my hand on, and I selected the 600 and on one side and 1000 on the other side. That's quite small grit, but then I'm able to hone my chisels up to a sharp level, and if I need to reshape them, I need to buy something more coarse, but I have no injuries on them right now, so I thought I should start with this one. So this is yeah, seems sturdy enough, and although it's small, it's credit card size, I hope I can still use it to hone my chisel to start with, and get the hang of this, and so that I can have a chisel that's easy to work with. So there you have it, the honing jig from Veritas with a diamond sharpener. Okay.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee and enjoy.